Hey Nash, what should we make?
I can't decide between pizza or pasta, so let's make another easy dump and bake dish, a pizza pasta bake.
All right, let's make a pizza pasta bake. Welcome back to Cooking Cheap and Easy. Just kidding, but not really. Anyways, today we're gonna make a pizza pasta bake. So if you like pizza, you like pasta, this is gonna be fun, super easy to make. It's one of those kind of just easy pasta bakes, but it's gonna be super affordable, super delicious, and it's just gonna be a dump and bake kind of a recipe, so very little effort. The only time is really just the baking and very little effort in putting it all together. If you're looking for cheap and easy, or you're eating on a budget and trying to serve a family or make multiple meals with each of your cooks, then this is perfect for you. So hey, without further ado, let's go. So we start with about 5 ounces of pepperoni. Now, look, it's a pizza pasta bake, so make it your own. Whatever toppings you like on your pizza, go for it. If you like pepperoni and black olives, add some black olives. If you like the supreme, throw in some onions and peppers and whatever else is in a supreme pizza. If you like a meat lovers, add some sausage and ground beef or whatever. But we're just gonna do a straight pepperoni and make it real easy. So, like I said, about 5 ounces of pepperonis, and then we just want to roughly quarter these guys. Preheat your oven to 425. And we want to take out the finger grater and grate about 2 cups of mozzarella cheese. Don't forget to pay the cheese tax. Then you want to take about 1/4 of this and set it aside. Put it in one container, and then you can leave the rest. Then to a pre-greased casserole dish, we add 1 package of dried uncooked pasta. I'm using this rotini, but you can literally use any pasta you want. Our pepperonis, you might want to kind of separate these just so they don't get all clumped together. 3/4 of the mozzarella cheese you grated, a pinch of salt, pepper, and garlic, a little bit of oregano or Italian seasoning would work, some red pepper flakes, 1 jar of marinara, or if you have pizza sauce or whatever kind of pasta type sauce you want to use. And then we need about 2 cups of water, but I'm gonna go with chicken broth just to get more flavor. Then we want to stir this and combine everything. Then we want to put that 1/4 of your mozzarella cheese that you kind of held aside, put this over the top. Then we want to grate some Parmesan cheese over that. And then we want to cover it tightly with foil. I said it before, I'll say it again, especially if you're bringing this to potluck or someone's house for a whatever party, or you just don't want to wash dishes. These things are great. And then we throw this in our oven for 30 to 40 minutes until the pasta's tender. Here's our guy. After 30 minutes in the oven, looks good. Take any of the pasta that's not submerged and kind of submerge it. At this point, I'll give it a little bit more Parmesan cheese. This time I'm just using the crappy kind. Then we're gonna throw this guy back in the oven, uncovered, for another 10 minutes. And here's our guy after another 10 minutes uncovered. It's still kind of bubbling. I'm hoping enough liquid is gone. Yeah, it looks good. And now we're just gonna let this guy cool. So we'll just go in for a piece here. A little cheese pull there. Nice, nice. Top this with a little bit of basil. And you can do some more Parmesan, some red pepper flakes, whatever you like. But there we have our pizza pasta bake. Time for a bite. Cheers. It's freaking delicious. I mean, it's a pasta bake. They're all delicious, but you got the cheese and the parm and all the spices and the pepperoni, and that really kind of gives it that pizza flavor. And like I said, whatever pizza toppings you like, or however you like your pizza sauce. Sometimes people like their pizza sauce a little bit sweeter than like a marinara sauce. So you do you, tailor you, but this is really good. It's super easy. It's a dump and bake recipe. Easy to feed a group of people or bring to a potluck or feed your family. So go try it. But hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, how you doing?
Just getting while the getting is good.
Well, check it out. We got this pizza pasta bake you requested. Here you go. What do you think?
Oh, yum. It's like a delicious pasta bake loaded with flavor and cheesy goodness, wrapped up in some serious pepperoni pizza vibes.
Anything you'd like to say to your fans?
I was born modest, but it didn't last.
I approve, Nash approves. This is a great dish, super easy to make, easy for like a weeknight or whenever. Or like I said, if you want to bring it somewhere where you're serving a bunch of people, this one's super easy. You can customize it, make it yours. Go make it. Thank you so much for watching. Really means a lot. Love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, share, and subscribe, that would help us out. It'd mean a lot. If you want notifications every time we drop a new video, go ahead and hit that notification bell. If there's anything you want me to cook, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that down in the comments or head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com. Send us a message there. And hey, just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, peace.